Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete the TikTok saved collections. So in here I've already opened my TikTok apps, and here I'm going to just go to my profile, and here on the save page you can see there is a collection. If you didn't know, you can create a collection from your saved post in TikTok, and here's I'm going to show you how to delete it. So first you need to open the folder or the collection. Okay, after you click on it, you can here's one see the delete option. So what you guys need to do is click on the arrow at the top right corner. Then in here you can see there's an option to delete the collection, so just click on this button and click on delete, and just like that the collection has been deleted. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.